Hello there. Welcome to Soul Raymond Ministries HomeGrown Series, brought to you by the Household of Faith. Now, what you're looking at is the northwest side of the front of my home. And as you can see, I have a lot of different kinds of plants here, from some cannas over here, a mum, my oldest mum, which I have had in the ground, but since I'm relocating to Colorado, I'm taking it with me. Um, some ugly little bushes that were already here that I've cut back and cut back and cut back. Um, Irises, other perennials, and see here, wind damage on my bird of paradise, critter damage on that canna. There's a ruella mixed in there. So this got a combination. There's one little lonely marigold that survived. This is a mostly shady part. If I step back a little bit, this time of day the sun is coming, okay? It's coming. And but this won't see sun until around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when you start to see sun over here. So this is mostly shade. So it's going to get the last couple of hours of sunlight. Planning an area, okay? Planning it. You think about the kind of sun you're getting. Think about the water requirements. Some plants are drought tolerant wherever you live. I'm going to say honestly, look for a more drought tolerant plant so that you don't have to worry about watering as often. This is the corner. I believe I've already uploaded a video of the corner of the house and going all the way around the north side. All right. So I have containers, as you can see back there. The containers are going with me when I move. There's a cordyline on the far right over here. It looks like the Dracaena next to it, but this one here is a cordyline. It's not a Dracaena, which is on the porch. We're going to do that area later. And there's my hostas, one of them, one plant, and it has two different kinds of hosta in it. Okay? So, what you want to remember, that's my banana tree, one of the banana plants, because technically it's not a tree. And like I said, assorted other stuff that I'm just getting tired of clipping back all the time, but I'll have to cut them back again. So when they cut these bushes and trees down here, they did not do as well as they should have. They should have dug these up, but they didn't. So they're going to continue to sprout whatever they sprout. I have to continue to cut them back. That's another thing. So we got wind damage and critter damage. I believe it's really more the squirrels because they are really bad here because I have two pecan trees. So what I want to do is just to encourage you all in this homegrown series to continue to grow what you like. If you love plants, I love tropicals. I've got tropicals indoors, outdoors, wherever I can put them. And I'm seeing a lot of, as I'm looking at this, I'm seeing a lot of critter damage. Something is eating my cannas. I mean, just chowing down on them. Wow. Now, it's late in the season because it's the first week of August, and I didn't get any blooms from the cannas, and I'm not sure why. But anyway, so most of them are going to stay here, but I am going to take a few with me to Colorado. Grow what you love what you grow. It's your home. Doesn't matter if you live in an apartment or not. I'm going to put together some slides, basically, um, I'm going to take the pictures and make it into a film of what I grew when I was in an apartment. With a little balcony, very little space, yes, you can grow, you know. I say you still have to have some kind of outdoor space, or you're going to have to invest in some good lights for the inside. We have a Facebook group, In Time Gardening Hacks, Hacks, Advice, Tips. The link is in the description box below. Please join the group. Share your expertise. I don't know everything. We don't know everything. I just got a lot to share, mistakes and all. And trust me, I made my share of them. All right? So we love you. We thank God for you. And we know that the main reason we're growing our own, for me, I like to grow stuff. I love plants. I love growing my own food. Years ago, I dug up my backyard, but not going to do that this time. So I've learned something over the years of gardening. I've learned something new, uh, learning some of the ins and outs and do's and don'ts, and I want to share them with everyone else. I'm not an expert, but by God's grace, through research and prayer and effort, I'm going to have everything that I need as we approach the time when food is going to be too expensive to buy. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.